Elizabeth Riggs grew up in Camden, New Jersey, where her mother and grandmothers influenced her deeply.
It was just a little problem for my mother, but she loved me dearly, and I loved her too. I have to say she and my grandmas were the greatest role models in my life.
With 3 brothers and 2 sisters, her working-class parents instilled a powerful appreciation for family, community, and education.
Somewhere in the back of my brain, they told me I was going to be a lawyer. I think it's so important for parents to start their kids on dreaming now.
She did well in school and attended the historically black Bennett College in North Carolina, graduating 3rd in her class. After college, she went on to work at the YWCA, the Neighborhood Youth Corp, and as director of Head Start. Riggs says she never set out to be the first or break barriers. She was simply doing what her family expected of her.
I never put a whole lot of stock in the word achievements because I was always expected to do.
Recruiting at Rutgers, the State University School of Law, she helped others find their way to college. But family and community members pressed her to continue.
The community is what sustained me, what supported me when I was in law school, and I had been really active community-wise. And a couple of the leaders said, no, we don't need you to be active now, we need you to finish law school.
In 1973, she received her law degree from Rutgers, and on June 18, 1974, Elizabeth Riggs was admitted to the California bar.
And so I eventually went on to work with the prosecutor's office, and I was there about 3 years. And I'll never forget, they asked me, was there any case that I felt I couldn't prosecute? And I remember answering that, yeah, there was one kind of case I would not like to prosecute, and that was prostitution cases. I said, because unless you're going to prosecute the Johns, then I don't think we should be prosecuting the women.
Governor Jerry Brown appointed the Honorable Elizabeth Riggs to the municipal court in 1979, where she remained the only African-American woman judge for 21 years. A lifelong passion was realized in 2000 when her request for a transfer to the Juvenile Court working with Dependency and Delinquency was granted. Riggs is a member of many community and legal organizations. In 2007, the Honorable Elizabeth Riggs was recognized as the 39th Senate District's Woman of the Year by Senator Christine Kehoe. Elizabeth Riggs recognizes the importance of community involvement and setting expectations for young people. But above all, she embraces the power of reaching out to one another.
Don't forget your sisters. Don't get to the top and forget about the other women that are coming up.